This is the post-immersion cleaning up operations of the Hussain Sagar going on. Already, to a large extent, the major chunk was removed yesterday. We had some immersion yesterday of the Ganesh idols. Now we are on the process of cleaning up of the balance immersions. Our target is to clean it as quickly as possible so that the impact on the water is very, very limited. I hope increasingly people will take up clay Ganesh idols in future and of smaller sizes so that this work, which is of such a gigantic scale, would remain as a simple work which we can accomplish in 24 hours. There is nothing like destroyed. AP Pollution Control Board has made a study last year about the immersion. We saw that earlier the water was affected for a longer period of time, but last year we started the alternate day removal of the idols and also final immersion. So we could complete it in 48 hours last year. This year also we are targeting that we will complete it in now. Yesterday we completed one lot. Again we had immersion yesterday. We want to complete it by today itself. So the impact on the water quality is, last year it was found that in 25 days the water quality came back to the original level. Before that there is an effect. So there is an effect, but the sooner we clean it up, the lesser the load, the better it is for the lake. So that's why I am suggesting that next year onwards, at least the Ganesh Utsav Samiti will take it as a thing, control the number of idols which come to the Hussain Sagar, control the size of the idols, and preferably if they are of clay, then it will be easier for us to remove the matter. So you see, clay dissolves in the water quickly, so we can remove it quickly. So that is the basic reason. And if you have less color material, not less of chemical colors, then the water pollution will be even less. So these are some steps we can take to reduce the thing. Ultimately, I think the major issue is limiting the number of idols which are brought here, and limiting the size of the idols is the critical issue. As you are knowing, the Hussain Sagar project is an ongoing project. We have already now finished sewerage treatment plants, 20 MLD and 30 MLD. We have finished the IND structures, and now we are doing the dredging at the mouth of the three nalas, Balkapur Nala, Picket Nala and the Banjara Nala. We are also studying the dredging operation for the Kukatpalli Nala. We are also trying to take up steps for prevention of industrial waste into Kukatpalli Nala. Once we do all these things, right now I'll be just going for a meeting with the IT companies whom we are promoting to come forward and take up the Nala cleaning up work. Because once the Nalas are clean, naturally the Hussain Sagar will be clean. The HCIP project is with 370 crores, out of which 310 crores is coming from JICA, 60 crores is coming from there. We have spent about 190 crores till now. The remaining is for the dredging operations and the oxidation of the water.